In this video, I'll show you how you can add Facebook reviews to your Wix website. This can be done very easily, so let me show you what you need to do. So first you want to go to the link which is going to be in the description. It's going to take you to this website called alphasite.com. Here what we can do is we can find a Facebook review widget, all completely for free, and we can go and add it to Wix. So what you need to do, you need to go to the link, then go to widgets, and here we want to look for reviews, and here you can go and find Facebook reviews here, which is trending. So go and click on Facebook reviews and it should take you to this page here. Here you can create easy to use Facebook reviews widget for any website. Now what we're going to do, we're going to click here where it says create widget, and it's going to give us some options of what widget we want to create. We can create a review widget like that. You can create reviews in a carousel. You've got a slide bar, grid, and so on. For the video though, I'm just going to use the reviews widget. Now once you've chosen the one you like, you want to scroll down and then click here where it says continue with this template. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and join Alphasite. Like I said, it's completely free. You can go and sign up for a free account. I'm just going to log into my account now. Once you've logged in, you'll see a page which looks like this. You'll see the widget that you've selected. Now you can go and connect to Facebook. So you can go and connect your Facebook page to this widget. I'm not going to do that for this video, but once you've done that, you'll then click save. So if you go ahead and click on your widget, it should give you a HTML code. So just go and click add to website, and here we can get a HTML code for our widget. So if you just go ahead and click on that, it will copy the code. Then you can go back to your website on Wix and you can go and add in this code. Now to do that, go to add, go to embed, and then embed a widget. So click that, and then it's going to open a new HTML window. Now what you can do is you can stretch this HTML window out as much as you like really. You're going to have to mess around with the spacing and everything. But once you've stretched it out, go to enter code. You then can delete this code here and then simply paste in the one from Alphasite. Then click update and it should update this code and you should see your Facebook reviews. Again, like I said, you're going to have to mess around with spacing and how it looks. But that is how you get your Facebook reviews onto your website, and you can go and preview that and edit how it looks. So Alphasite is very simple and it is completely free if you want to use the widgets for one website which gets less than 200 views, but you will have to upgrade if you have more websites with more views. But I hope that video did help you out. Please do leave a like and I'll see you all in the next one.